In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in ClickUp. Assigning a task is one of the simplest ways to create clear ownership and keep your projects moving. And by the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and how to confirm everything is set up correctly. First, open ClickUp. You can use your browser or the desktop app, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're in the correct workspace for your team, since many organizations have more than one. If the interface doesn't look familiar or you can't find your projects, you may be in the wrong workspace. So switch to the right one from the workspace selector before you continue. Next, choose the space where the work lives. Spaces are the top-level containers that group related projects or departments. You'll find them listed in the left sidebar. Click the space that holds the project you're working on. If you don't see it, you might not have access yet, so check with your admin or confirm you're in the right workspace. Inside that space, open the list that contains your tasks. A list is where specific tasks are organized for a project or workflow. Click the list name to view its tasks. Whether you prefer a list or board-style layout, you're looking at the same underlying tasks, so pick the view you're most comfortable with. Now select the task you want to assign. You can click directly on the task name to open its details panel, or stay in the list and work in line if that's faster for you. If there are many tasks, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the one you need by typing a keyword from the title. In the task details, locate the assignee area near the top. It's typically represented by a user avatar or a plus icon next to the assignee field. If you're staying in the list, you'll also see an assignee column. Clicking that cell opens the same picker. From the assignee menu, select the team member responsible for the work. You can scroll through the list or type their name to filter results. Depending on your workspace settings, you may be able to assign the task to more than one person. If that's enabled, choose everyone who shares responsibility. As soon as you select the assignee, their avatar or name appears on the task, confirming the assignment. That's all there is to it. The task is now assigned. The assignee will receive a notification based on their preferences, and the task will show up in their personal Assigned to Me views. Quick recap: open ClickUp, go to the correct space, open the list, select your task, click Assignee, and choose the teammate. Clear, simple, and effective.